guys, we are going to SM with my family. Hello guys! We are here na guys in this SM Tanta. Charter here, birthday. I love the chicken here, so crispy. So love their spaghetti so kitty. Look guys, Mamu and Mamita are auto here. After eating we went to some friends to play. Come on guys, follow me. Sorry guys, my voice is not good because I have cough. I tried to edit this vlog for you guys. I hope you like it. Thank you guys. Of course, we are playing here with my brother. Do you know guys, every time we go to SM, I told my love playing here, but I didn't get anything. Ooh, I'm so sad. Then after we played, we went to supermarket. Look guys, I'm so happy, right? Because I saw a lot of biscuits. I'm so excited. That's all for now guys. Thank you for watching.